This is the Solahart free heat system, 47 gallons. The water's up in the silver tank on the top, the collector's on the bottom there. This uses a glycol solution which circulates through the panel and goes up into the big silver tank, and that's where it exchanges its heat with the water coming in from the house, cold water. And we're using this as a preheater to our gas hot water heater. Seems to be working pretty good. The only weird thing is if you need parts, kind of hard to get because it's made in Australia. That pipe you see on the right side, one of the fittings didn't fit very good, and it was hard to see if I could get a new one. Finally, I did enough filing on it to get the fitting to fit properly, but anyway, that's something to consider because it is made in Australia, but they do have pretty good support here in the States. Here you can see the collector's on the bottom. That has a glycol solution, and the glycol solution gets heated up, comes out of this pipe here and goes into the tank, and in the tank it exchanges heat with 47 gallons of water in there. The cold water from the house comes in here, goes into the tank, and that's where it gets heat exchange. And then once it's heated up, comes out of this hot pipe here, comes out hot and into the house. This is showing the temperature on the glycol mixture coming out of the collector going into the heat exchange water tank. And today it's 132, the air temperature is about 70, and it's fairly early in the day, so we're doing pretty good. And this feeds into our hot water heater cold supply. We're using this as a preheater to our gas water heater. And down there today I think it's about 98, 99, 100 degrees going into the hot water tank.